Ball on this pitch, M.Aamir. Expect some swing and some speed early. So here we go, folks. First ball, M.Aamir. Oh, that's worth the shot. That's got to be really close. Oh, my dearie. Oh, I can't believe that's out. Why? Well, I thought that is just plumb. Did he hit it? Let's have a look. This looked absolutely dead. Did he hit it? Oh, hit him right on the toe. The only question mark is that did he hit him just outside the line? Oh, there's another shout. Did he hit that? He has it! Oh, that's the start. The Pakistanis won it. Wow, that's all happening here, BBS. A big wicket for Pakistan. Rohit Sharma, the man in form. Wait, what a start. That M.Aamir. M.Aamir getting it straight. Oh, it's come back and slipped his front pad and back pad. And fast, straight with swing, accuracy. Oh, yes. Let's have a look at here. Pitch is on. Oh, you just have to give that. That's out anywhere, even in my own backyard. Oh, that's worth a shot too. That's worth a shot too. That's another one. Oh, the green team.